Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you own a Navien Tankless Water Heater, you might have noticed the system going into something called standby mode, and it can leave you wondering whether the unit is working properly or not. Unlike traditional water heaters that constantly store and heat water, tankless systems are designed to operate only when hot water is needed. Because of this, standby mode is actually a normal and important part of how the system functions. It simply means the unit is powered on, ready, and waiting for demand without actively heating water at that moment. Understanding this feature can help you avoid unnecessary concern and also give you a better idea of how your heater saves energy and operates efficiently. In this video, I'll break down exactly what standby mode means and how it works in a simple, easy to follow way. Try these. 1. Understand that standby mode means the water heater is on but not actively heating water. 2. Turn on a hot water tap to take the unit out of standby mode instantly. 3. Observe the display panel as the heater activates and begins heating water. 4. Set your desired temperature using the control panel for proper operation. 5. Allow the unit to return to standby mode automatically after water usage stops. 6. Check the system display occasionally to ensure standby mode is normal and no errors appear.